Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by ensuring your iPhone 14 runs iOS 16, one or later, and has connectivity. This lets crash detection use location and emergency services. Once ready, make sure the phone is charged and unlocked with Face ID or your passcode. Now open Settings and scroll to Emergency SOS. This is where the feature lives. You're starting the process immediately so you can enable automated help. This step locates the exact menu and prepares you for the specific toggles you'll switch on next. You tap Emergency SOS, then locate Crash Detection and flip the toggle to On. This arms the sensors to detect severe collisions. Once enabled, make sure to allow emergency calls and notification access so the phone can contact responders automatically. This is why permissions matter. Next, review and permit health and location access when iOS prompts you, because those services supply crash context and precise coordinates. If you granted everything, crash detection is active and ready to respond when needed. You finish by confirming emergency contacts in the health app so responders know who to alert. Add or edit contacts now. Once done, review the emergency SOS and location settings and restart the phone if the crash detection toggle won't stick, because a reboot often clears transient issues. If problems persist, make sure iOS is up to date, then reset location and privacy or reach out to Apple support for diagnostics. These steps resolve permission or sensor configuration problems, so crash detection can work reliably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.